Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dehydrated dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Honest Kitchen Human Grade Wholemade Dehydrated. This product is made in the USA with human grade, all-natural ingredients such as free-range chicken, potatoes, carrots, bananas, peas, celery, oats, barley, and flaxseed. It also has taurine, vitamins B1, B2, B12, D3, and minerals from dehydrated kelp. There are also no fillers, preservatives, or GMO ingredients, and no allergen grains like wheat, corn, or soy. Honest Foods' high-quality ingredients make it nutrient-dense, and it doesn't contain fillers, which helps maintain a healthy weight. This food is also easily digestible due to the fine dicing of the ingredients and the gentle dehydration process. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Dr. Harvey's Canine Health Miracle Dog Food. Dr. Harvey's contains 6 organic whole grains, 9 vegetables and herbs, and crushed eggshells for added calcium. It is rich in zinc, iron, manganese, riboflavin, folic acid, and vitamins E, A, D, B12, and D3. It is made in the USA, is non-GMO, and doesn't contain fillers, preservatives, or allergen grains like corn, wheat, or soy. The calcium and vitamin D in this food contributes to healthy bones, while the vitamin density and fiber contents are excellent for digestion. This vegetarian blend also uniquely supports dogs with kidney disease due to its lesser amounts of protein and phosphorus. At number 3, we have the Sojos Complete Freeze-Dried Grain-Free Dog Food. All the ingredients in this product are made in the USA and primarily consist of beef, flaxseed, carrots, cabbage, celery, papaya, cranberries, ginger, and kelp. It also has vitamins D and E, copper, calcium, riboflavin, and folic acid. The ingredients are human-grade, non-GMO, and contain no fillers, preservatives, or additives. Sojos food provides numerous health benefits, such as healthy fur, due to the fats and the omega oils. It also promotes immunity, healthy weight, and digestion due to the whole foods that have been gently air-dried. Its lack of gluten is also great for dogs with grain allergies. At number 2, we have the Addiction Grain-Free Dehydrated Dog Food. This grain-free dehydrated food from Addiction is made from 40% wild kangaroo, providing a novel form of protein for your pooch. Its all-natural ingredients are responsibly sourced and packed with nutrients for a unique type of food. Addiction's product is specially formulated for digestive health thanks to its inclusion of apple pectin. Along with kangaroo, its primary ingredients are potatoes, carrots, papayas, apples, and spinach, and it is supplemented with vitamins E, B1, B3, B5, B6, and B12, and minerals like niacin, riboflavin, calcium, and copper. This food is free from grains, fillers, wheat, and soy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Canine Natural Freeze-Dried Dog Food Booster. This tripe originates from New Zealand and comes from 100% grass-fed animals. The freeze-drying retains the nutrients, and it is high in protein, amino acids, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. This product is non-GMO and doesn't contain fillers, binders, or preservatives. It is also gluten-free. This booster product from Canine contains green tripe, which is essentially the untreated contents of a lamb's stomach. Due to its high content of enzymes and good bacteria, lamb green tripe is a superfood for dogs and makes a fantastic addition to your pet's meals. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.